Good morning, dear children of class 7th A and section B. Hope you all are fine at your home, safe and secure. It is very happy to know that our school or all schools in India, school and colleges will open after 15th of August. I am eagerly waiting to get back into the class again. Today we are going to study the second chapter of geography, representation of geographical features, scale and distance. Today we will know how a scale is used on a map and what are its measures. A map represents a portion of Earth's surface. It has several elements such as a title, north line, scale and key that help us to read and understand it easily. What is a map scale? A scale is the ratio of distance between two places on a map. That means the actual distance between the same two places on the ground. Map scales are represented in three different ways. Verbal or statement scale. The scale is stated in words. The units are usually mentioned in this type of scale. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer or 1 centimeter to 5 kilometer. It means that 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 5 kilometer on the ground. These are just statement indicating what a particular distance on the map would represent on the ground. Now I will explain you on the sheet of copy what a verbal statement scale means. For example, I have made a diagram here. There are two big cities of India, Delhi and Mumbai. On the map, we are measuring with the graphical scale. Now here, above 1 centimeter, one box is 1 centimeter and one box is a value up to 200 kilometers. So, from Delhi to Mumbai, it is 8 centimeter. If 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer, the distance on the ground, then how we will measure it? See here, children, 200 into 8 centimeter. Now it will be 1600 kilometer. So from Delhi to Mumbai, on scale it is 8 centimeter, but actual distance from Delhi to Mumbai is 1600 kilometer, 1600 kilometer, and almost the same. Okay, children. So remember this in mind, how to measure two different cities, big cities in a country. We can see here Delhi and Mumbai. The boxes are 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter up to 8 centimeter, and one box contains 200 kilometers. That's value of 1 centimeter. So total 200 into 8 centimeter is equal to 1600 kilometer. It is almost the same from Delhi to Mumbai via Kanpur route. Now the second portion, graphical or linear line scale. This consists of a straight line which is divided into lengths that represent given distance on Earth surface. It is usually drawn near the lower portion of the map. In the diagram here below, the linear scale line is divided into 5 equal parts, 1 centimeter apart. Each of these parts represent a distance of 50 km on the ground. At the extreme left hand, one part of 1 centimeter has further subdivided into two parts of 5 mm each, representing 25 km. That is what called a graphical scale. And any of the questions, I think in the long answer question you have to draw this figure. I will explain you where. A graphical scale. The user of the map has to place a straight edge paper of a piece or a piece of string beside the 2 point to be measured. Mark the 2 points on the paper or string and measure the distance between these two marked points using the scale given at the bottom of the map. In this way, the actual distance between the 2 points we will know. What is the actual distance between two area? We will understand through this scale. C is representative fraction. What is it? This is the numerical scale that gives the ratio of the distance between two places on the map and the distance between the same places on the ground. For example, 1:50,000. This means 1 unit centimeter in inch, yard, etc. on the map would be equal to 50,000 units of the same distance on the ground. The ratio is also given as a fraction such as 1/50,000 with the numerator representing 1 unit on the map and the denominator representing 50,000 units on the ground. You calculate the ground distance between 2 points by measuring the distance between the same 2 points on the map and by multiplying the map distance by the denominator of the RF example. If the distance between 2 points A and B on the map is 5 centimeter and if the scale is 1:50,000 or the RF representative fraction is 1/50,000, then the distance between the 2 points A and B on the ground would be 5 into 50,000 centimeter. That is total is equal to 2,50,000 centimeter. So 5 centimeter on the map would be 2,50,000 centimeter or 2.5 kilometer on the ground. This is how a distance is measured on a map. Measuring distances, how? Measuring distances. To understand maps correctly, it is important to learn how to accurately measure distance on them. This can be done in different ways. Measuring distances along a straight line. The distance between any 2 points on a map can be measured using a ruler. Thereafter, using the scale of the map, the actual distance can be calculated. Measuring distances along curved lines. Distance along curved line are measured by either the divider method or the twine method. These methods are useful in measuring lengths of river, railway lines, curved road, car tracks, etc. Here an image is given measuring a distance with the help of a divider. See, you can see the divider here, and at each curve it is measured and written on a sheet of paper, then total it is added, and then we can know this distance of a river from this Yamuna river. It is a map of Delhi, and from the beginning one end point to another end point. At each curve we will measure it on the scale. The 2 points we will measure it on the scale, and then total we will do total, and then we will find the exact length of this river. In the divider method, a divider whose pointed ends are 1 or 2 centimeter apart is used beginning at one end of the feature. To be measured, the divider is turned continuously by till the other end is reached. The number of turns is counted, and then using the scale of a map, the actual distance on the ground is calculated. These curved lines can be measured with thread also. Put one thread here and spread it slowly, this way, this curve, this curve, this curve, this curve until here. Then hold the 2 points end from here to here and measure that thread on the scale, and then calculate the distance of this river. Very easy. When I will be in the class, I will explain you how to do it. Distance can also be measured most accurately with the help of a piece of string or twine. Measuring distance of curved routes such as those along railway tracks, motorable roads, car tracks, river routes and canals is easily done. With a piece of string or twine, since it can be shaped to follow the curves and bends in the route, take the piece of twine, make a knot at one end and place the knotted end on the starting point of the distance to be measured. Just now how I have informed you in the map. See here, in the map it is given measuring distance with the help of a twine. This it's a river and he is measuring with the help of a thread. and that thread will be measured on the scale, and then the distance will be calculated easily. When you reach the end of the route you are measuring, mark that end with ink. Now place the twine on the scale with the knotted end at 0 and see how far the ink mark reaches on the scale. Measure the length and convert into kilometers. If the distance to be measured is longer than the printed scale on the map, place the twine on the ruler in the same way. Calculate the number of centimeters it covered and convert that into kilometers. I will explain you how. Again I will explain you. For example, it is curved line here. For example, this is a thread and it is up to 6 centimeter long. From this point to this point, it is how many long? 6 centimeter long. 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer. Then 6 centimeter is equal to 200 into 6 is equal to 1200 kilometer. Hope you understand how this is measured, how a thread is measured. Okay children, on the scale, and we can make the actual distance of a river. This was very small chapter, 1.5 pages, 1 to 2.5 pages. Now we will do the exercises. It's very easy how to convert. I will explain you. I am giving you the exercise and you have to do all this in copy. See children, this is exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. 1 has been done for you. Distance on the map, distance on the scale, ground and scale. 5 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer. Then 1 centimeter is equal to will be 5 kilometer. In the same way, 10 centimeter distance on the ground 100 kilometer. Then 1 centimeter, the value of 1 centimeter is 10 kilometer. Here 2 centimeter distance on the ground is 60 kilometer. Then 1 centimeter, it has the value 30 kilometer. Fourth one, 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter distance on the ground is 49 meter. Then 1 centimeter has the value of 7 meter. 6 centimeter, last one, distance on the ground is 60,000 kilometer. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 kilometer. Remember, it is 10,000. This was the first exercise, exercise A. Now we will do the match the following. Exercise B. Match the following: scale, number 4 ratio, statement scale, number 2 words, linear scale, number 3 straight line divided into lengths, a ruler, number 4 straight line, twine, number 3 curved lines. This is how we will write match the following. Choose the correct answer children. Third exercise, exercise C. This is the ratio of distance between two places on a map to the actual distance between the same two places on the ground. The options are scale, map, globe, atlas. Will be the first one, scale. This scale is stated in words. First option is verbal, second statement, third both of these, fourth none of these. Third will be the correct answer, both of these. The distance between 2 points along a straight line can be measured by this method: twine, ruler, compass, stick. It can be measured by a ruler. In this fraction, the number is always 1. Number 1 representative fraction, number 2 refractive fraction, number 3 reduction fraction, and number 4 reorganized fraction. The first one is the correct one, representative fraction. State whether the following are true or false. A verbal scale is stated in words. True. Second one, a statement scale consists of a straight line which is divided into length. False. What will be? We will cut the statement and the correct one is graphical. We will write graphical at this cut place. Third one, the numerator in a representative fraction express the actual distance between two places on the ground. False. We will cut 2 between two places, it is cut marked at the 2 and we will write in bracket same place. The fourth one, the distance along a curved line is measured by a ruler. False. Curved line, it will be cut and it will be written here a straight line. Here it is written in bracket. This is the exercise you have to do. How? Now I will explain on the question answer. I will click the photo and send you back. Okay children, see the picture study. Exercise G. Look at the picture and answer the following question. What type of scale is shown alongside? This is graphical or linear scale. Okay children, state a feature of this scale. I will give the answer, it is written on page 17. Okay children, hope, be safe, write these answers in the copy. I will explain what exercise A, exercise B and exercise E. Exercise A, B and D. You have to write in copy along with this question answer. Exercise E, F and G. I will explain. I will give it to you, the photo of the answers written. Okay children, write in copy, and if there is any problem you haven't understood or all that, please inform me on my personal number, that is personal WhatsApp number, that is 817 699 649. I repeat, 817 699 649. Thank you children. Be safe, be happy.